Previously, the bed frame is now put together. We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Just Carry On. This is now day 21 of our extreme truck camper makeover. Where are the screws for this window? I am now putting the window frame back on. There are a lot of screws. Well, all these top ones are lining up. This is the end of day 21.
I never really use this one again anyways. It's garbage. Save the light bulbs.
The cupboard bed panel has now been put back in. We are now replacing one of the light fixtures that does not work from another fifth wheel trailer. You can see how nice our bed area looks with the new wood and the level that is going to be at in the new travel trailer.
disconnected. No electricity for a while. So I get this sorted out. I'm redoing the plugins and the old truck plug right now and everything because I need to deal with up there. So I gotta know what I'm working with. It's time to do the last tear apart electrically. Let's adjust it so that we're in a different spot, but still covering everything. So I'm going to hold it. That looks good there. That'll clear everything. You do want to do this corner here first. Don't push hard. Just let it do its thing. That's good. Let's start now. We'll just hand tighten them in when we're done. And then we won't over crush it. This stuff's so soft you can almost push the screw through by itself. This roof wood, this is super soft. Hardly no grip. Like I said, just make new ones and just cover everything and, you know, oh, it's strong.
It's just the beams right here, so.
Oh, do what you can. 6 screws holds it nice anyways. So, I went to open the fridge yesterday and holy, this did not want to open very good at all.
Yeah, paint sticks to it.
Afraid of tearing the rubber, eh? That's all.
No, it's paint so I stick to it.
It's stuck good.
I was gonna keep it open for a while, right? But that plastic thing might break if you keep it open. It's just safer, just closed for now.
All good.
I am now starting to put up the backsplash. It looks so nice compared to how it was when we first got it for free. I am now cleaning the inside of the seat cupboard. The outside lights have now been siliconed on. The windows have all been siliconed as well as the vents. We are testing the lights at night. So two aren't working then, right?
Yeah, one on the side and one on the far corner. Probably bulbs.
It's pretty good though.
Getting there.
At least you're using the jig saw, it doesn't seem to cause too much.